Hello everyone, today we are going to make a calculator in Python from scratch. So let's start the tutorial today. So first of all we are going to write operation and we will take the input from the user. So enter either plus or minus or multiply or divide. Okay, this is we take from the user. This we have stored in the name as operation, in the variable name as operation. Now let's add the numbers. So num1 gets input, enter first number. Similarly we enter the second number as num2. Okay, till now we have taken 3 input from the users. Okay, so now let's run our program and let's see what happens here. So we choose this, we choose our first number, we choose our second number, and nothing happens. Now we have to build our calculator. So for that we use the if else statement. So what I do is if operation gets plus, and one thing I would like to remember, that is I have to convert this into integer because input is always taken as a string by Python. So I have to convert this into integer, otherwise it will throw me an error. Okay, so I have put here plus. If operation is plus, then I will put the result as num1 plus num2. Okay, and similarly if operation gets minus, then what I do, then I put result as num1 minus num2. And let me copy paste these things now, copy line down. Okay, if this is multiply, then I put multiplication here. So here must be the minus sign, right? Minus sign, and here must be the division. So if it is division, then I put here division. Okay, up to this we are very clear now. If the operation is plus, if we choose plus, then it gives us addition. If we choose minus, then it gives us subtraction. If we choose multiplication, it gives us multiplication, and if we choose division, it gives us division, and we have stored the value in the variable result. So now let's print the result. So I print, let me put a f string for this. The answer is result. Okay, so for this I can do like this. Now let's see what happens. Let me run the program again. So while running, I will choose plus, then I will choose the first number 12, then I will choose the second number 56, and finally it has shown me the answer. So finally we have built a very easy calculator with the help of CLI. And let's again run this program, and let's again run subtraction 32 and 12, and we have found the answer as 20. So this works very well. Now what I want to do is, if one operation is finished, then I again have to click here run. What I want to do is, I want to happen this continuously. So for that, what can I do? I can take the help of the while loop. So I will take the help of the while loop. I write while true, then after let's see what happens. While true, then I forgot to give the double dot, and let's see what happens. I have run this. So again let me run this because it has already run. So I choose plus, and I choose 23, and I choose 34, and I get 57. And now what happens, the miracle is that it again tells me to choose another thing. So I can choose minus, and I can choose 12, I can choose 56, and I again get answer minus 41. I can again choose I can choose multiplication, 3 4 3 4s are 12. So I can continuously perform this calculation with the help of the while loop. So in this thing, we have learned many things, like we have learned the use of while loop, we have learned the use of input and how to convert those into integers, as well as we have learned the things that we do in the if else loop, if and elif, and we have also learned about the f string. So for today, thank you for watching the video, and we will see you next time. Thank you and bye bye.